Hello everyone, good afternoon. This is our project Imami Astha at Diamond Harbour Road near Joka Metro Station and just opposite to Swami Narayan Temple at Joka, which is a prominent landmark of this locality. And you can see this is the approach road of Imami Astha, which is currently just 100 meter from Diamond Harbour Road, and this total approach will be developed by Imami itself, as this is the prime load to access this project and the main access of the project. So you can also see the security over there, and you can have a gate over here. This is the second gate, internal gate, and outside also there will be a main gate on Diamond Harbour Road. So there will be two gates. So one is on Diamond Harbour Road, another is on this side, and here in this land we will develop a clubhouse which is 18,000 square feet. Clubhouse will be developed over here total, and from here we will be having the bungalows. This is separate bungalows, means private bungalows. This is not row bungalow concept, and the total land area of this project is approximately 40 acres right now. It will be extended also, and let me show you the approach of this project. And on the left hand side you can see some grasses are already decorated, and these are some experience of the project, how the project will get looked when it got handover. And on the right hand side you can see on this side there will be bungalows, also some floating deck will be there, and there will be some natural water bodies which we will develop as a decorative natural water bodies, and we are approaching towards the bungalow. So come and see. So these all left and right, these two portions, those portions will be total bungalows. So there will be three types of bungalows. One is Astha, another is Prathama. So those bungalows will be handover within 3.5 years of time from today's date. So if you can see the handover, then the handover will be on 2025 mid. So it will be very soon, and as per the payment plan you can pay. The payment structure is very simple. You have to pay first time 10% at the time of agreement, then you can periodically, as per the construction link plan you can pay accordingly. You can have enough amount of time, and you can relaxedly pay from your own, and also you can avail a home loan from nationalized bank and private banks. So we are already approved with State Bank of India, HDFC and other banks. So let me show you the site office. So we are entering towards the site office, and you can also see this excellent green patches of this project. The main USP of this project is absolutely on a green patch of land. Not only that, the total 80% land area will be totally vacant, and on that vacant area we will develop many kind of unique facilities and amenities which will be first time in Kolkata. So now we are going forward the project marketing office. So let me show you the land area. So this is our experience center, marketing office. As you can see, so these are the three types of bungalows we have mentioned, that is Pratham, Pratishta and Prapti. And let me show you on this side. So this is the site office. So the main USP of the project is that this project is located on Diamond Harbour Road, The access is just 200 meters from Diamond Harbour Road, and we will develop that particular land access dedicated for the entry and exit only. So you can see the total area of sales office. So we will be having 3 types of bungalows, and our built up area will be starting from 2077 square feet onwards. This is built up area, not super built up area. So we are actually giving cost sheet on built up, not on super built up as per HERA or RERA rules. So you can see this beautiful experience center of our project. The total project is going to develop on a green concept. So like you can also have a look of this total area. It's very natural, and not only that, we can also have 80% of the land bank which is totally vacant and dedicated from green spaces. So it will be a premium bungalow concept, and as per the location is concerned, this is just 10 minutes driving distance from Joka metro station, which will give you the immense pleasure and connectivity from the city of Kolkata. So you can also notice that this is the extravagant entry of the project. This is the kids playing area. We will develop these bungalows like this one. You can see these bungalows facing towards the kids playing area, and these are the other bungalows, cricket pitch. So you can experience the grand living of this facility. This is the yoga deck. So, and we are offering a great pricing for very limited period right now. So if you come early, then definitely you can have an attractive price offer and have some discounts also. But these discounts and offers are going to be end very soon, because the project is only have 384 units or bungalows. So as you can see, these are the swans. So hope you like this. So thanks a lot for watching. So if you are interested for this project, then please call at the number given below. We are giving some exciting offers and discounts. So thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day. Please share and subscribe our channel for further updates. Thanks a lot.